Do you have that one person in your life that you cannot shop for, but you know that they like cars? Well, this video is going to help you out. I'm going to give you a top couple things that I think you should buy someone this holiday season. It's going to be spectacular and they're going to love it. Stay tuned. Let's jump into it.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
If you're new here, we do car videos, we do car install videos. I got some things for the trucks that we do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like the content. If anything in here likes you, remember, all the links are gonna be in the description below. Let's jump right into it. First thing first, something that every car lover really enjoys is their car smelling good. And one thing about smelling good in a car, it's different for everyone. So the first thing I have up is this sample kit from Chemical Guys. It's awesome. This sample kit comes with 8 different scents. They smell spectacular. They all smell different. They last a good amount of time. First thing I have here, new car smell. Let me get something that we can spray this on so we can smell these scents and check it out. Let's grab our first thing. Handy dandy napkin here. New car smell. First one up. Spray it real quick. Oh, that smells good. Let me give it another sniff real quick. It's definitely giving me vibes of maybe like a new German car. Like a new German car, but if you overdo it, this is something that I actually have a large bottle of. If you overdo it, it definitely doesn't smell like a new car smell, but just a little bit goes a long way with this scent. Let's grab a new napkin here. Next one, honeydew. Wow. Yo, honestly, it smells like juicy fruit. If you like that juicy fruit scent, this is the one. This is the one, honeydew. What we got next, Chemical Guys signature scent. The smell of success. Check that out. Bang. And this is a pretty decent sized sample kit. Okay. All right, I got a consensus on this one. This one smells like almost like men cologne mixed with a little bit of woman's cologne, but it's good though. It's real good. It's probably my favorite so far. This one or the honeydew. Let's keep going. Next up is Black Frost. Now this right here, what I think it's going to remind me of is those air fresheners, the black and white ones, very clean. Sort of like the one that my mom got me, that I put the air freshener in the whip. But let's take a look, let's smell it. Oh, definitely. This definitely smells like that. The black and white air fresheners, definitely. But it smells good. I love that scent. I grew up on that scent. My parents always had it in their cars. Love the scent. It's a classic right here. If you're going for that classic smell, right there. Remember, don't ever overdo these scents. Now we're on to number 5. This is the strawberry margarita smell. Wow. Yeah. Definitely strawberry margarita smell going on here. Almost like you're like a margarita or daiquiri. Smells sort of like you're on an island or a tropical beach or something. That's a hit right there. You got a shorty? You know, you got a car lover that's a lady in your life? She might really like this one. Now, this is something I was really trying to check out. This is called Purple Stuff. It is grape soda scented. You know what I'm saying? You know how we like our grape soda. Yo, check this out. Let's smell this. Yes. Grape soda going all day. Yo, that's a hit right there. That one smells good. That one smells like grape soda exactly. I'm gonna open up a door in here so we can get some fresh air in here. All right, we got 2 more scents here. This one is chewy bubblegum. Let's check that out. All right, I said the other one smelled like juicy fruit. This one definitely smells like juicy fruit. Yeah, this one smells good. If you like that fruity smell, definitely go with this. Now remember, these come in larger containers as well, but the sample kit gives you so many that you can try out. I'm honestly loving this and excited that this is something that I purchased. Remember, all the things that are going to be in this video are things that I've actually had, things that I've actually used, things that I've actually reviewed that I'm going to be sharing with you. This final one here is leather scent. Yeah, it smells like leather. I ain't got nothing much more to say about that. I got leather seats in the car. My car already has that leather scent. If you just want to touch it up a bit, give it that nice clean leather scent, this is a good one. But if you had leather scented cars or leather cars, the scent I feel like on brown leather is different than black leather. And this definitely gives me that brown leather scent. So if you know, you know. All right, next thing up, number 2, what we got popping on this video of things you should buy for the holiday season for a car lover in your life. Right here, bro. This thing is the coolest thing ever. This is for your shift knob, but it's a little hoodie. Come with a little gold chain. This thing is so mint. Check this out, yo. Look like your boy right here, you know. Know what I mean? This thing is so clean. You'll actually enjoy it. You know, ladies, men, all the things, super cool. I've even seen people actually take these arms and stuff them into the pockets, sort of like this. And it just looks so mint sitting in the car on the inside on your shift knob. And the cool thing about it with the hood, keeps that shift knob nice and cool. So if it's a hot summer day, you hop in it, you ain't got to scorch your hand up if you have a metal shift knob. This thing is mint. Definitely get your hands on one of these if you can. Link's going to be in the description. Let's jump on to the next thing. Okay, so every car lover is going to need this next one right here. This is an OBD scanner. This is a very simple scanner. This is OBD2. It's going to be mint. You plug it into your car, goes right into the OBD2 port. Any car built after like 1996, 97, don't quote me on that, has an OBD2 port. You got a check engine light, you need this, plug it in, get the scan on it. Don't even try driving over to AutoZone to get that done. Not worth it. Cost you a couple dollars to have one at the house. You know what I'm saying? It might be 20, 30 bucks. You can always check it. This is a very basic one. You can always step it up to a more expensive one like this. This one reads airbag codes, all different things like that. You can definitely step it up, but this one, something like this will cost you a couple $100. Definitely recommend if you don't have an OBD2 scanner, you get one like the one I showed. Just, you know, any type of random code that you may get, check engine light comes on, you want to check it, make sure you can drive the vehicle home. You're definitely going to want to get one of those basic OBD2 scanners. Let's move on to the next thing. Big bucket here. This right here is the Chemical Guys Wash Shine Kit. This thing came with 10 essential products in it. If you're really interested in something like this, I definitely had a video where I did a washing on my car after I purchased this. It works so nice. This is before I got the pressure washer upgrade that I have. But this right here, if you have a basic kit, you really want to upgrade it. You know, everyone loves a kit like this. It just improves your setup. It gives you backup products. It definitely helps. It has in it 3 microfiber towels, tire shine. It's got the snow foam wash. It also has the Diablo wheel cleaner, which works really well. It has the wash mitt, and it also comes with the bucket and one of these little trays that goes inside of there to make sure you separate your dirt from your clean water when you're washing your car. Definitely a must buy if you don't have a kit like this. Just get it. It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be in the description below. They're gonna love it. All right, so next up is a battery tender, maintainer, or charger. This right here is a charger and a maintainer. This is gonna be so essential to keep the batteries of their cars nice and topped off. This is perfect for that. Say the person you're shopping for has a really nice car and they put it up for the winter. They're gonna wanna put one of these on the battery, keep it maintained, so every time that they go to start the car up, boom, starts right up every single time because they're keeping the battery charged up to the right proper voltage. This thing has come in handy so much. I actually use this when I tune my car. I plug it into a regular wall outlet, run the cords outside from the garage, plug it onto the car, the positive and negative terminals of the battery. This keeps the battery topped up so that way when you tune the car, it doesn't allow it to brick your ECU or anything like that. Definitely a pickup if you're into cars or if you're getting something for someone. They might not have this and they will really enjoy it. All right, next up on the list right here, this is the NOCO Boost XL. This thing has gotten me out of a pinch so many times. I can't even explain how many times it's gotten me out of a pinch. When I look at this thing, you look at it, it looks like a basic, like big old power bank or something like that. It's essentially what it is, but it allows you to jumpstart your car without needing anyone else's help to come over and help you. Comes with this little plug here. It's got your positive, your negative terminals on it. You plug it into this, boom, turn it on, crank your car up, start it right up. This is if you have a dead battery. If you bought the last gift that I recommended, you won't need one of these. But let's say you're stranded, it's a winter storm, things like that, you can't get anyone to help you. This is a perfect thing to have for anyone, car lover or not. You're gonna wanna get your hands on one of these. This is gonna help you jumpstart your car. This actually jumpstarts my truck. When I had the alternator issues, I did a video on the alternator replacing of that. Or when my truck died, used one of these, jumped it up, got it home so I can get the alternator changed. This is an essential for anyone. Don't miss out on this. All right, so the next thing I have here are cleaners for your car. I have first, inner clean. As you can see, it's almost empty. I gotta pick up some more of this. This helps you quick detail the inside of your car. Just spray it on, wipe it off, spray it on your rag, wipe it off, clean off your products, get the dust off, protect the UV rays. This thing just works so good. It just protects your dash. You ever see the dashes with the cracks going through them? Something like this will protect it, give it that nice little layer of UV ray protection. Really good product. Next thing up, and once again, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys. I just like to use this product, and I know it's very easy for you guys to get. It's available here on Amazon. You can go down to your local AutoZone, one of those parts stores, and they usually have Chemical Guys that they're holding in the inventory. So next up, leather quick detailer. As you know, my GTI has leather seats. My wife's Honda Civic has leather seats as well. This quick detailer comes in handy. Just spray it on. You use like a leather type cloth, and this could be like a waffle weave or something like that. Clean off your leather, and then you just shine it up real nice and clean. Oh, this works so mint. Such a good product. Definitely pick it up if you have leather or the person that you're buying for has leather. Next up, we have a quick detailer. Now these are really cool. Now they have all types of quick detailers out there, speed washes, washes without water being used, all of these things. I really like this Hydro Speed. This definitely gives a nice shine to the car. It also has ceramic technology in it, so you get that ceramic protection. It just keeps the car clean for so much longer. I love this product. You know, only do it in between washes. If I have a bird poop on the car, wipe it off, done. Clean, back to normal. Get down to your photo shoot, whatever you're trying to do, car meet. Super simple. Pick you up one of these. Now, if this video has helped you at all, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. This is your boy. We're signing out again from another episode of Live Fast. This holiday gift guide is going to be here. You're going to love it. Black Friday's coming up this weekend. You're going to want to snag any of these deals that you may see on some of these products. And before Christmas, you're going to want to get these for people. So if you saw anything in this video that you'd like to purchase for someone else, remember the links are down in the description below. This helps the channel out, helps me buy more mods, help me buy more products to try out, to recommend to you guys. Anyways, it's your boy. We're signing out with another video. Hit that like, subscribe. Peace. We about to see what Shorty think.
Hey.
Which one out of these was your favorite scent?
That's a really hard decision. Okay, so can I break it down a little?
Yeah. Tell them what you thought.
All
Tell them
right.
what you thought.
So if I'm gonna go fruity, if I'm feeling fruity, it's so hard because the strawberry reminds me of my favorite candy, with the strawberry hard candy with the gooey center, which is my favorite. But the purple stuff also reminds me of the OG purple bubble gum. But I have to say strawberry probably takes the win on that. As far as a new car clean smell, even though this is new car smell, I would have to go with the signature scent all the way. I think that one just smells so clean and fresh to me. If I were to also mix it up a little bit, I do also like this chewy bubblegum, which actually to me smells more like childhood candy gum, remnants of childhood. And then the honeydew is just very refreshing. Those are definitely my favorites.
Now, if you had to choose just one, which one is your favorite scent? But remember, you don't have to get just one. This sample kit comes with all of these at a great price.
If I was going to have you go put one in my car right now today, I'd go with the strawberry.
That's her favorite scent. That's what she liking. And then just for the holiday season, I'm actually going to give her that purple sweater hoodie thing for the shift knob that I showed you guys in the video. I know she's been wanting it, so
Yay!
I'm going to give it to her. That's the color she's trying to go with on the whip. So let's go
you.
ahead and do that. Yeah. Gang, you heard it here. Make sure the links are down in the description. Holla at those if you like any of these products. Great for car lovers. Great for yourself, too, if you're just trying to pick up a deal on the holiday season. Anyways, we're signing out. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Euro step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, it's me and Tay Tay.